Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Unbox with Alex Trinh, and in this episode of Unbox with Alex Trinh, we will be unboxing the Sony PlayStation Portal remote player for the PlayStation 5. So I got this from Amazon for $199 from Amazon. Today we'll be unboxing this thing and checking this PlayStation Portal out. But before we do, let's go ahead and take a look around the box. So here it is. Here's the presentation for the Sony's PlayStation Portal. This is a remote player for the PlayStation 5. I just want to say that this PlayStation Portal is not a standalone product. You'll need a PlayStation 5 in order to have the PlayStation Portal remote player to work. You will need a PlayStation 5 since this is not a standalone product like the PSP that I have right here in my hand, or the PlayStation Portable. But this is the PlayStation Portal, which is the Accessory, a remote player for the PS5 itself. So without the PlayStation 5, even if you buy the PlayStation Portal without the PS5, it will not work. So you will need a PlayStation 5 in order to have it work. So you can always scan to find out more if you're interested in the PlayStation Portal. But with that being said, let's go ahead and take a look around the box. So here it is. This is compatible with the PS5. And like I said, this is an accessory to the PS5. And on the other side of the box, it talks about the contents, which talks about the PlayStation Portal remote player, USB cable, and printed materials. All comes inside of this box that we'll be unboxing. And below is the legal information. And yes, I really like this clean presentation from Sony. And here's the back side of the box. So the back side of the box, here it says, put your PS5 in the palm of your hands. And below we have a description. And here we have the fat PS5 with the remote player. And here it says your handheld gateway to your PS5 games. Get access to the games on your PS5 console over your home Wi-Fi, letting you to jump into gameplay without needing to play on a TV. So basically, this is the TV in your palm of the hands. Play your game collection. Play compatible games you have installed on your PS5 console, including your favorite games for PS5 and PS4. And experience breathtaking immersion. Feel the incredible immersive of haptic feedback and adaptive triggers in supported games. So this remote player, or the portable TV in the palm of your hands, have haptic feedback. So yeah, so that is the presentation for the PlayStation Portable. Let's take out our X-Acto knife and finally unbox this thing. So with the seal being cut, let's go ahead and see what we have here. So it looks like we have a box inside of a box. The outer box is more for presentation, while the inner box, here we have a gray cardboard box. Here on our left, we have the PlayStation logo that says remote player for the PlayStation 5. On the back side of the gray box here, we have our legal information and our barcodes. And here, what I like about this unboxing is this comes with a pull tab with the iconic PlayStation buttons. So let's go ahead and pull this out using the pull tab. And we are greeted by another PlayStation logo. I just wish the unboxing of the PS5 has this type of unboxing, since this is more like an not thrown into a box. This is more like a presentation unboxing, if that makes any sense. So here, once we lift this part of the cardboard box, here it comes with a cable, which I believe is a USB-C cable. So let me just take my time with it. And yeah, so I don't think it comes with a power adapter, unfortunately, but this is a USB-C to USB-C cable to charge your PlayStation Portal. You can always plug in the USB-C to your PS5 console to power, to charge the PlayStation Portal using the USB-C cable. Once we lift this compartment up, here we have the remote player instruction manual. And yeah, so that's what we have inside of the box. Now let's go ahead and remove the packaging and check out the PlayStation Portal itself. So here's the PlayStation Portal. Here you have the guide, the quick start guide of where things are located, such as the power button, volume buttons, and all the other stuff, and how to turn this on. And this is such a beautiful device from Sony. Here you have the 8-inch 1920 by 1080 60 frames per second screen. Here's the top side of the PlayStation Portal where all the buttons are located. Let's go ahead and try and power this on. But before we do, let's go ahead and see the buttons, which feels comfortable while touching them. And now let's go ahead and power this on. I think you need to hold down the power button for a couple of seconds. And here we have the PlayStation logo. So here you have your PlayStation Home and Mute buttons, along with the other buttons that you'll typically find on your PS5 controllers. On this side here you have your power button and your volume buttons. And you will find your USB-C charging port underneath on the bottom part of the PlayStation Portal. And here we are at the setup screen. So I really like how this lights up. I'm going to set this PlayStation Portal up and we will go through the device together. So I have already set up my PlayStation Portal with my PlayStation 5. Setup is pretty easy. All you have to do is follow the instructions. So here is the PS5 controller with the size comparison to the PlayStation Portal. The buttons are the same, but the analog sticks are a bit smaller than on the PS5 console. All I have to do is push the PlayStation home button, and here we are at the home screen of the PS5. So you will need a PS5 if you want to utilize the PlayStation Portal remote player. And it works really well. So you do not need to have the TV on, but you will need to have the PS5 on if to use this remote player. So this is a great device if you want to play outside of your TV area. So if you like this video, please give this video a super huge thumbs up. Comment in the comment section below on what you think about the PlayStation Portal. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Be sure to check out my other YouTube content that is on this channel. And thank you for watching Unbox with Alex Trinh. I'll see you on next one.